Working with long documents. Have you ever opened a Microsoft Word document that was over 50 pages long and immediately felt lost? Maybe it was a project report, a thesis, a company manual, or even a church report. Without proper organization, long documents quickly become difficult to manage. But today, that changes. Welcome to Module 7 of the Microsoft Word Mastery series. In this lesson, you learn how professionals organize large Word documents using headings and smart styles, indexes and tables of figures, professional report layouts, and finally, chapter numbering and structure. By the end of this module, you'll be able to create clean, professional, and easy to navigate documents like a pro. So open Microsoft Word and let's begin. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make in Microsoft Word is formatting headings manually. They make text bold. They increase font sizes. They might even change the text color this way. But Word doesn't recognize those as proper headings, and that becomes a problem when creating tables of contents, navigation structure, and long reports. That's why it is important for you to learn how to use real heading styles in Word. Section 7.1 Mastering Headings. Let's learn how to create consistent heading structure. In Microsoft Word, using real heading styles creates structure. Think of them like chapters in a book. For example, we have Heading 1. This is often used for main chapters. Heading 2 mainly used for subtopics, and Heading 3 is used for smaller sections. Knowing how to use these heading styles creates a clean hierarchy inside your document. Let's learn how to create proper headings in Word. Select your chapter title, and in the Home tab group, look for Styles. And in Styles, click on Heading 1. Notice how Word format the text. For subtopics, highlight it and click on Heading 2. For smaller section, we can click on Heading 3. We can also make our headings look professional by clicking on this drop-down arrow. Navigate to create a style and click on it to open the new style formatting dialog box. Click on Modify. Here you can modify your styles by changing the font type and also the font size. You can also adjust font color, and you can also add spacing to your text, and also update formatting globally. The best part is, if you modify one heading style here, every heading using that style updates automatically, and this can save you hours of formatting work. Why headings are important? Using headings properly allows Microsoft Word to 1. Generate automatic tables of contents for you, improve navigation, organize long documents professionally, and create structured reports. This is one of the most important professional Word skills you should know. Section 7.2 Indexes and tables of figures. Now let's make our long document even more professional. Imagine writing a 100-page report, and readers can instantly find any topic they want. That's the power of indexes and tables of figures. Marking index entries. An index is an alphabetical list of important terms in your document. You usually see indexes at the back of books, manuals, research documents, and others. To create one, Word needs to mark entries. Let's now learn how to mark entries. In order to mark entries, highlight a word or a phrase that you want to use as an index in your document. Go to the Reference tab and click on Mark Entry. Then click on Mark. You can close it and go on to mark another entry. Repeat this for important terms throughout your document. Now let's learn how to generate an index. Once your entries are marked, place the cursor where you want your index to appear. Let's go to the bottom of our document and go to the Reference tab once again. This time around, we will click on Insert Index and click on OK. And Word automatically generates alphabetical list of index for us. So you can see from the words that we marked. Now that we have finished generating index, let's now learn how to generate tables of figures. This automatically lists images, charts, tables, and diagrams along with their page numbers. Before creating a table of figure, you'd need a caption. To do this, let's select an image and go to the reference tab once again. Then we should click on Insert Caption, where it automatically labels items like Figure 1, Figure 2, Table 1, Table 2, and so on. So let's click on OK. Let's scroll down here and we see Figure 1 is now attributed to this image. Let's scroll down again and select this image. Go to Insert Caption again and click on OK. This is now Figure 2. Let's now click on this and say Insert. We now have Figure 3. Let's now learn how to create table of figures in our document. We will scroll to where we want the table of figures to appear. Place your cursor where you want the table of figures to appear. Go to the reference tab once again and click Insert Table of Figures. Then OK. And just like that, your document becomes much more professional and the pages in which you can reference your figures is displayed for you automatically. Isn't this wonderful? I know that by now you must have been wondering how you can turn off or remove these musical notes from your document. Don't worry, I'll show you that in a bit. It's not musical notes, but it's actually called pilcrow. When you see them in your document, it means that you've turned on formatting marks. These symbols help you see exactly where you are editing. For instance, when you hit enter or add a space during your document creation, just stay calm because they will not appear in print or show up in your final document. To turn them off, simply go to your Home tab and look in the paragraph section. Click on the Show or Hide button, which looks like a paragraph symbol or musical note, to turn it off. You can also use the keyboard shortcut to turn them off too. Simply press Ctrl+Shift+8 on Windows or Command+8 on Mac to turn them off. Now let's combine everything together into a professional report. We are going to look at how to create cover pages for our document. A strong report starts with a professional cover page, and Microsoft Word includes built-in cover page templates for you. To insert cover pages in your document, go to Insert and click on Cover Page in the Pages section. Choose a design that you like and customize it. You can customize the title, the author name, abstract, and others. Page layout for chapters. When working with chapters, organization becomes extremely important. This is where section breaks becomes powerful. Section breaks allow different parts of your document to have different headers, different footers, different numbering styles, and different layouts. This is perfect for books, reports, thesis, and we have already covered how to create section breaks and how to add page numbers to our document in previous tutorials. Watch those tutorials if you have not done so yet. Numbering chapters and sections. Professional reports use automatic numbering. For example, Chapter 1. Instead of typing them manually, Word will automatically generate our chapters for us. To do this, let's go to the multi-level list. Click on the heading style that you want. Automatically, Word will format everything for you. So we have 1, 1.1. So we have 1.11 here. Let's look at a real-world application of these skills. Mastering these skills are extremely valuable for university projects, office reports, church manuals, business proposals, training documents, research papers, and others. And that brings us to the end of Module 7. But before you go, you know what time it is. It's assignment time. Practical lesson on Module 7. Assignment 1. Create a document using Heading 1, Heading 2, and Heading 3. Assignment 2. Insert automatic table of contents and table of figures. Assignment 3. Create a professional report containing 1. Cover page, chapters, page numbering, captions, and index. Excellent work. Now you've learned how to structure and manage long documents professionally using Microsoft Word. These are advanced skills used by researchers, office professionals, students, and organizations worldwide. If you found this lesson helpful, like the video, comment your favorite feature, subscribe for the next module, and don't forget to download the practical assignment files in the description below. In the next module, we will learn how to create forms and automate tasks using advanced word tools. See you in module 8. Thank you and bye for now.